Welcome to Gut Smokehouse Barbecue. Today we're going to take you on a little journey for this recipe. Sit back and enjoy the trip.
Alright, heading down New Jersey. Heading down to the shore. Cape May, New Jersey. We're going to be heading out on a fishing trip. Trying to catch some blues and mackerel. And hoping to smoke them up for our YouTube channel for y'all to enjoy. We'll see how it goes. Here we go. Jersey Shore, here we come, baby. Woo! Here we are at the marina, the boat behind us, getting ready to head on heavy hitter, catch some fish.
Everybody, listen to me and return me my ship. I'm your captain, I'm your captain, though I'm feeling mighty sick.
Have you ever gone fishing on a hot summer's day? Sitting in a boat just fishing away, with your hands in your pockets and your pockets in your pants. Have you ever seen a fish do the hoochie coochie dance? Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, Sarah! Yeah, we're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha. Oh yeah.
Kiss you, Mother Earth. Take me back now, oh, take me back now to the port of my birth.
Captain Mark here showing us how to fillet a blue. Straight off Cape May.
That's it.
Any words of advice for us novice fishermen, Captain?
You did a good job today.
All right, yeah, you did a good job.
Very seaworthy.
So here we got some BBQ Rub, got some leftover lemonade, and we got Italian seasoning. A little bit of that LaCroix limoncello in as well. So we got some oil, we got a little acidity, got a lot of salt and sugar. Gonna marinate it, gonna smoke it tonight. All right, so here's one bag of our fish. Caught about 20 some off of Cape May today on a boat called Heavy Hitter. So now we're gonna take some rub. I'm gonna take a good amount of rub actually. Put that in there. There's quite a bit of fillets in there right now, so let's do that up good. Alright, and we'll take some lemonade with the lemon. And we'll take a bit of Italian dressing. And to top it off, a little LaCroix limoncello. Alright, we're going to mix that up. Let that marinate for several hours. Alright, we got our 2 bags of bluefish seasoned and marinating. Gonna pop it in the fridge right now. And there's the beautiful bluefish we're about to smoke. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take it close, we're gonna dump it into our little makeshift half tray here. There we go. All right, we're going to heat up and put the fish on. Start smoking. The first round of bluefish Getting ready to hit the smoker. All right, so we got our smoke, so make sure you just get that. All right, we're gonna add a couple more pieces here of cedar. Cover it up a little bit here so that the heat doesn't get too high. And then we come in. Look at that. Is that a thing of beauty or what? So we'll cover it up. It's at about, running about 275, so we'll cover it up. And we're gonna also dump a little bit of water on top here to cool down the top a little bit, just so it doesn't cook too quickly. All right, next video, you will see some smoked bluefish straight off Cape May. And that's some beautiful slow smoke right there. All right, and the finished product. Look at that. That is beautiful. And it is delicious. Have me a little sample right here. Here we got 8 ounces of fresh caught smoked bluefish. 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. 4 ounces of sour cream. The juice of 1 whole lime. A couple sprigs of fresh thyme, probably about a half teaspoon. A couple splashes of sriracha. Some salt. Next, blend together the ingredients until well blended. And then we will be adding the stars of the show. All right, at this point, we're going to add in smoked bluefish. And the recipe for the marinade that I use for the smoked bluefish is on the channel. So right now, what we have is our finished smoked bluefish dip. It's not our smoked surf and turf dip yet. It's just our smoked bluefish dip. So let's give it a try. All right, here we go. 5 days in the making. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Whoa. That is unbelievable. It really is. That smoked bluefish with the sour cream and the cream cheese, the richness, the acidity, the lime juice, just a tiny bit of sriracha, the thyme. Oh my gosh, it's so good. We're gonna let it in the fridge overnight, try it again tomorrow. But now, stay tuned if you want to see the recipe for the smoked surf and turf dip. Add 4 to 6 ounces of smoked brisket. Final stir for the official Gut Smokehouse smoked surf and turf dip. That'll blow your mind. So we're gonna give this a try now and see what it tastes like. All right, here we go. The official, right there, it's official. The official smoked surf and turf dip from Gut Smokehouse Barbecue. Things are going all over the place in my mouth. Oh my gosh. The smokiness, it's there, but it's up in your nasal passage. It's not all over your mouth and throat like a, like way over smoke. It's just, oh, and that aftertaste. I love the aftertaste. That's like the best part of like a good smoked meat is the aftertaste. It just lingers and you're still tasting it. It's up the nasal passages. It's down the top of the back of your throat. You're breathing it out of your nose just like a wine, and you're just enjoying every minute of it. Highly recommend it. A lot of work, but if you can do it because it's worth it. Thanks for joining us. See you on the next episode of Gut Smokehouse Barbecue.